Today I'm gonna make a fantastic carbonara, the truly carbonara.
Cooking shows on YouTube draw on genre elements from the same established cooking TV show genre. TV cooking shows are a site for the transmission of social and cultural knowledge as they aim to teach and educate. In this video essay, I will analyze and demonstrate how the cooking genre has transitioned from television to YouTube and what exactly its core characteristics are. With the development of the internet and social media websites, YouTube has become a new platform for chefs and cooking YouTubers to demonstrate their skills. We now see them offering a personal outlook into their own content and into their own private audience. Cooking YouTube videos use the mise-en-scène of a kitchen and incorporate various techniques such as the medium shots that create a sense of intimacy between the creator and the viewer. Since cooking videos are created to educate, the viewer feels like they are watching a teacher perform in front of them, thus establishing a connection between the two. Some cooking YouTubers may also rely on voice-over narration or text bubbles to demonstrate what they're doing without actually showing their faces.
And pretty much all that's left at this point is to assemble our nourish bowl. So on the bottom, I'm gonna pile on some of the seasoned red rice. I'm gonna top it with a generous heap of the sauteed kale mix and then add on the pan-fried marinated tempeh here as well.
One of the main characteristics that we may notice in the YouTube cooking genre is the use of high-angle shots. High-angle shots enables the viewer to see what exactly is being made in front of them, usually by showing the hands and the tabletop and the plating and the different kinds of ingredients the chef may use in order to demonstrate what exactly they're making. Other techniques that we may notice that are being used are close-ups, overhead shots, and extreme close-ups that also play a huge role in the YouTube cooking genre, as they demonstrate the dish itself, as well as to look appetizing enough for the viewer to want to keep watching and feel hungry after finishing the video, thus using the skill that they actually learned by watching it. Another stylistic technique that is very used in the new YouTube cooking genre is the use of text and speech bubbles. These bubbles usually are used to indicate ingredients, amount of cooking time, subtitles, social media handles of the creators themselves, and overall can be also used for pure comedic purposes to just add more of a fun element of the video itself. Continuity editing is very important in the cooking genre, as it both cuts down on the length of the video, making it easier to watch for the viewer, as well as engaging them more. We see this in the use of fast motion, heavily cut introductory montages, and title sequences that offer a preview to the video, as well as cuts in action and jump cuts. To conclude, I'd like to point out that the cooking genre has not changed much in its transition from television to YouTube, as its main goal has always been to teach its audience on how to cook. Despite this, on YouTube, chefs can create their own audience and have much more freedom in the production of their own content, while still demonstrating their passion for food.